Hello, good day, everyone. Um, my name is Deacon Shirley, and I'm glad to come your way again today. Today I'll be teaching you how to optimize your website, your WordPress website, how to make it load faster. Because if you check website, you see some website when you load them, when you enter the URL, it will take some time before it loads. So today I will be showing you how to speed it up. Just watch this video from beginning to the end. Let's say this is your website, and you want to check the speed of the website. You copy the URL. Yeah. So when you copy the URL, you come to this website, gtmetrics.com. I will drop it on the uh, on the description of this video. I'll drop the URL just so you can see it. So I'll click on test. It's now analyzing the website for for us. So when it's done analyzing the website, we'll know the speed of the website. Then we can now go ahead to do what we want to do and make it load faster. As you can see, it's still up. It's still analyzing. As you can see, this is the URL and it's generating reports now. So this is the report. Performance 98, structure 99. Uh, this so you see it now. So let's take note of this. So uh, having done this, we'll go back to this our website. So as you can see, just an empty website. I'm just using it for illustration purposes. You now come back to this website, Airlift. This Airlift. So you sign up with Airlift. So this is the plugin we'll be using to do the optimization. You sign up with with Airlifts. So I'm just doing all this Google authentication and all that. Sign up fail. Please try again. Why sign up fail? Uh, okay, so let's do it manually. So let me enter my password. Enter my password again. Then sign up. Okay, I've now signed up into this website. So now I'm going to enter my URL. So I'll go back to my website, copy the URL on the address bar here. So copy, Control C, and go back to Airlift and impute our website there. Then we'll click on continue. So now it's not telling us to install manually. Click on download. So as you can see, the plugin has downloaded here. So look at the plugin here. So I'll go back to my WordPress dashboard, go to appearance, plugins, add new. Then I'll click on upload, then choose file, then choose Airlift, open, then install. After installing, you activate. So as you can see, uh, Airlift is analyzing the metrics before optimization. So as you can see here, is optimizing it, analyzing it, then it will optimize it. Then after this whole thing, you now find out, or you now see that your website will load faster. So for some people that have installed heavy themes, there are heavy images, heavy stuffs on their website. This is the procedure you will use to, you see now, optimize 100%. So it's configuring the website. As you can see here, the JavaScript, the style sheet, the images, the font. So it's just compressing them so that they can load faster. Just compressing them so that they can load faster. So as you can see here, configuring website. So please follow this tutorial step by step. Follow this tutorial step by step. If you can see here, the load time is 3 seconds. 3 seconds. That's the load time of the website, and it's very good. As you can see from here, critical CSS calculation, it checked everything being checked. The initial performance of the website, optimizing site performance. Look at it, it's calculating it, it's optimizing, compressing things. So when you're done, you now uh, copy your URL again, go back to this GT metrics, and paste your website and click test. You will now find out that it's uh, the test is faster, and the time is faster than before. So you need to create an account to check for another website. So thank you very much. I'm going to see you again in my next video where I'll be teaching you an interesting thing. So thank you very much. See you. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, share this video to your friends, to your group, so that they'll be able to learn from this. Thank you very much. See you again next time. Bye for now.